Hi, I'm Rick Ruskin, Senior Manager of Online Commerce at Chevrolet. I'm in an all-new 2018 Chevy Tahoe, and I'm going to demonstrate a brand new technology, a feature that allows you to pay for your fuel with the tap of the infotainment touchscreen. And so we've set up the application here to allow you to bring your Shell Pay and Save account right onto the dashboard of the car. You can see that the system knows the location that I'm at, and I've pulled up to the pump. So I can start the whole process by just tapping the Pay and Save button. I simply enter my pump number. I'm at pump 11, so I'll tap at 11 and click on OK. I can put multiple payment methods on file, and in this case, I'll select one of them. It asks for a Shell Pay and Save PIN, which I set up when I registered for Fuel Rewards and Shell Pay and Save. That allows me to safely transact and pay for my fuel. So I'll put that PIN number in, click on OK. And with one last tap of the dash, I can authorize my payment, and I'm ready to pump my fuel. So the first thing I do is I enter the 3-digit activation code I was supplied, which confirms I'm at the right pump. Then I'm good to begin fueling. I pumped $10.42 worth of gas, and when I get back into my vehicle, I can confirm that $10.42 has been charged to my credit card on file. As you can see, I didn't touch my credit card or my cell phone, and that's fueling through Marketplace in my Chevrolet.